servicing my bike, which oil I use, some new plastics and graphics that have gone on my bike, and some extra bling that I've been sent. I'm going to be covering all that in this video, so stick around. He loved doing it, Roy. He loved doing it. What's up, you lovely lot, ladies and gents? It's me, Carly. Welcome to another video. I'm going into the workshop at Motorzone to get my bike serviced. Right, so pretty much you've got a choice. You either do the servicing yourself, but for those that don't have the time, simply can't be bothered, like me. Oh yeah, that is very dirty. I mean, I've been saving the service for this video actually. So I usually change every 10 hours just to keep the engine in top shape as possible. But I've left this too long for this video, so I can share it with you. It's all right, it's a little bit dirty. But I'll get the oil in, change the oil filter, and a little bit more about these guys in a bit. Or if you're using a lot of oil, you can change and get one of these big drums. How long do you reckon this will last? If you're riding every week? 3-4 months only? 6 months. 6 months, roughly, of this, and we're looking at 25 litres. I've teamed up with Lubrex, and I need to get this thing ready, so these guys have actually supplied me a whole bunch of oil to use in my bike to help me keep my costs low and help me keep these videos running, so much appreciated with that. I use these. One, it's manufactured locally, that's a plus. For me, I like to use local vendors as much as I can. The main reason is the Motorzone boys use this oil on all of their tour bikes. Now they're doing tours a number of times throughout the day on all of their bikes, and they use Lubrex for those. So that's saying something. So if they're using it for all their bikes and it's working, then they must be doing something right. Also, it's engineered for the type of riding that we're doing in this region. Very hot climate, sandy conditions, very dry. Hot temperatures, so I want to look after my engine as much as possible, and that's the main reason I'm using these guys. So shout out to them. I see Roy in the background. Oi, 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 oi. Damn, look how black that is. And your verdict on that is that I can see a little bit of metal. Is that something to worry about or no?
No, not really.
Good sign, good sign. Good so far, right. Just some little drizzles left. It's not as dirty as I thought it would be. I mean, that is pretty dirty. While I'm waiting for the oil to drain out, I thought I might as well take this opportunity to show you the new plastics that I got. So I went for white. There's some nice stars in the background there. There's the branding. Got the old What Adventures QR code on there. So if you, in a minute, I'll go to the other one because the old stick peg is covering this. But if you scan that on the screen with your mobile phone, that'll take you straight to What Adventures. Some website branding down here. And there's the old white background with the orange frame poking through. I thought it pretty cool because I've got some orange accents around just to still let you know that it's a KTM, of course. Yeah. Oil's now drained out completely in there. Front forks. Getting fresh plastics and graphics put on it every so often makes the bike look newer and makes it go faster as well. At least I think so. deck pegs, I'll tell you more about those in another video. The accessories that I have on the bike, little pouches and stuff like that are handy for going out where we go. And the bags, side bags that I have on here, I'll go through those. Also a video for the action camera and my audio setup, the comms and the microphone built into the helmet. So if you want to see that video, drop me a comment down below and I will make a video for you on that one. So that's pretty much a walkthrough. Here's some B-roll to just show you around the bike. Take a look. Yeah. Me and Morris went through this idea together to have like an outline stroke going into the white and going for the old gas style of branding. I wanted it to go all the way down here, but you wouldn't have been able to see it, so up here is more than enough. There's the QR code, so if you can get a good focus on that, put your phone up to the screen right now and scan it. So what do you reckon? Definitely need to change the color of the tank. That's, yeah, it's not doing it any justice, making it look a bit old and tatty. I'm thinking black. Either get a black tank or take this one off and dye it with black ink. I've seen a YouTube video on how to do that and it works out pretty well. So I'm thinking that will finish this nice looking bike off. What do you reckon? Go for a clear one or a black one? Is that oil fills next? Is it usually on this side on KTMs?
Yeah.
Right. Huh?
Can you use this one for cooking?
Cooking oil, yeah. Vegetable oil, this one. Yeah. It also runs on vegetable oil too. Yeah. Still go faster than you. No idea what you're doing here, mate.
They said just dump the clutch.
Well, you do a pretty good job of dumping the clutch and full gas. So I'm going to cut some B-roll of Roy doing that. Doing that properly with roosting me in the face. Like, you love doing it, don't you? You love doing it, Roy. You love doing it. So a new oil filter already put back in?
Oil filter for the moment.
There you go. That's good to know. 6 Newton meters. Good to know. So if any of you...
In this case.
Right.
Maybe other models can change.
Okay, so it's best to look that up or go and see a professional. There it is. That goes in the bottom. Is that the one with the magnet?
No, the magnet is this one.
That's that one.
That one goes to the gearbox.
Right. So how many in total is there? 1, 2.
But that's not a filter. That's like a magnet to hold the, well, magnet parts.
Metal filings and stuff like that, which do come off the engine over time. Right. So plus this one, that's 3.
Yeah. This one. And this one.
So all in all, it is not a too difficult process when you start to know how. But I would still rather have someone that knows what they're doing and does this on the daily, do it for me, pretty much. So what do you do with this? Dispose it in a drum or?
Yeah. We care about the environment, so. So here we remove the plug for putting the new oil. We'll make sure it's clean. It's 150, 1 liter 500 milliliters.
1.5 in.
Yeah, and then
now
a little bit more.
And a little bit more. Wow.
Maybe because the oil filter needs to be like
soaked through.
Yeah.
Right.
I
forgot
already
about
soaked, but
and I guess that's why you've got to start it up as well, right? Let the oil pump around the engine.
yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty much oil change done, new filter, and the good old stuff. Thanks, Lubrex. Thank you for watching this video. Big shout out to MotorZone for taking good care of me with keeping my bike in check and making sure it's rideable for me every time, so I don't have to have that stress, so I can just worry about riding it. Yeah, the rally rates. So they're going to be a little bit more spiced up and more consistent this time around. So I'm going to put the links to where you can join the cross-country rally rates out in the desert for you community riders, local riders, and anyone international that want to come over, rent a bike and come and join these tours that we do in the desert. Pretty much the reason why I'm getting this bike ready, fresh kit, new oil. Thanks, dude. About the rally raids, if you want to come and join them, hit me up, let me know. Anyone coming from overseas wants to do some tours, let me know. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and drop the comments below. Share the video if you liked it, and anyone else that benefited from it. And stay tuned and subscribe for more videos coming up. Peace. See ya.